How to cancel Netflix auto payment. Hello and welcome to Wonder Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can cancel Netflix auto payment. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will find this interface on your screen. However, there isn't any specific or direct option to cancel auto payment, but you can cancel membership and stop your auto payment. For that, hover your cursor over the profile picture in the top right corner and from the drop down menu click on this account option. Once you click on account, now you will be taken to the account settings. Here you will find manage membership. Click on this option and here you will find the payment info where it says you will have to pay on May 13, 2024 for the Netflix subscription. When you scroll down, there you will find cancel membership. Click on this option. Once you select that option, you will be taken to this page. Here it says whatever you choose, it will take effect on May 13. That is the last date after your previous month's payment. Until then, you will still be able to watch on Netflix. Now here you can see two options, whether to finish cancellation or to pause for 1 month. Instead of cancellation, you can also take break for 1 month. For that, you can choose this pause for 1 month option, and if you don't want to do so, you can click on this finish cancellation option. But remember that you will need to come back within 10 months. After doing so, you can come back to the Netflix after or before May 13 and resume your membership. So in this way, you can cancel auto payment on Netflix. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.